Hello, this is the Daily Telegraph cryptic crossword, prize crossword walkthrough for Saturday, the 17th of October, number 29,497. Once again, I think we'll do all the across and then all the down. So we'll start with one across. Online writer, second class fellow. If you're second class, you're B, and a fella for trees might be a logger. So that gives us a blogger, which is obviously an online writer. Five across, an outside line to ring. Well, if you draw a line that just touches a circle or a ring, that is a tangent. So that's five across. And then nine across, nice clue this, article about wine. So wine could be vino, and an article could be an. Covers grand, so covers going around G for grand gives us Avignon as a French location. And then 10 across, such gentlemen as have origins abroad. Actually, this is an anagram of origins, meaning gentlemen that come from abroad, and that's going to be signors. Sorry, no, signori. Change that. Let's just actually tidy that up. Signori. 11 across. Deep breath. Well, deep is going to be as in the ocean. It's going to be sea, and a breath might be a breeze. So I think that's going to be sea breeze. Which then brings us to 12 across, which is nonsense. Some might swallow. Well, something that you might eat, which is also a word for nonsense, is tripe. And then 13 across, US prosecutor. Well, the US prosecutor is the DA, isn't it? District Attorney. Holding sheep, or the sheep in this case is going to be a ram, which gives us a tense situation or a drama. And then 15 across, state capital has no love for religious ritual. Well, the state capital I think we're looking for here is Sacramento. Without the O at the end gives us a sacrament for a religious ritual. And then 17 across, long drink containing very soft fruit. Well, if you long something, you might pine for it. A drink is going to be ale. Very soft in music is PP. And a fruit in this case is going to be pineapple. 19 across. Odds in a rugby tournament slashed at the outset. A rugby tournament can be a sevens, the Middlesex sevens, for instance. And if we slashed at the outset, we get rid of the S, and the odds might be evens. 22 across. Back to back, various graduates dance. So graduate might be a BA, or it might be MAs going the other way, back to back, and it's going to be samba. 23 across. Fat soldier catching fish. So this is going to be a type of fat. It's going to be a soldier catching a word for a fish. And I think the soldier is going to be a marine. And it's going to be catching a gar, which is a type of fish, which gives us margarine. 25 across. Wanting more. Time to tuck into whipped Sunday. So it's an anagram of Sunday, whipped around. Time to tuck into. So a T going in, meaning wanting more. And I think it's going to be unsated. 26 across. N plus ultra strangely. Unremarkable, so it's an anagram of NE and ultra. Unremarkable, something that's like neutral colours. It's going to be unremarkable. 27 across. Follows to protect king and make secure. Well, if something follows, it ensues. And then if it protects king, we have R for Rex. King going in gives us ensures, make secure. And final one across, gem dealer nuts to accept million. So it's a gem, that's a nuts, it's an anagram of dealer with an M going in. It's going to be emerald. Okay, there we go. So let's go on to the down ones. Hopefully we can speed up a bit here. One down, cooked bass, initially weighed. This is weighed as in weighed anchor. It's a bit of an odd one. Bass initially is B, so it's going to be raise. So if you raise the anchor, you weigh anchor. All family members at home in Scots Island. So this is an odd one as well. It's just an island, and I think it's going to be zero kin away, but in a sort of Scottish way without the white, giving us an island which is Okinawa. And then live wire around pole, one's had it. Well, if you're had it, you're a goner, and it's going to be goer as a live wire going around N for pole. And then 4 down, bean soup, nothing less for seconds. So a runner is a bean, and soup with nothing less, so get rid of the O, and you get runners up, which are obviously people who are in second place. 5 down, experience important as team shows. So that's in the words. You get a taste of it, you get a bit of experience. And then 6 down, mounted champion decapitated. It's terrifying. Well, I think a knight without the K, decapitated, you're going to get nightmare. Not sure where the mare fits in there. 7 down, controversial European driver. Well, that's going to be E for European. And what's your driver? What's your motive? And if it's like an emotive issue, it might be controversial. Okay, don't start raucous jabber. Yeah, this is a funny one as well, because I suppose you could say strident is raucous, maybe. And if you don't start that, you get a trident, which is obviously a sort of spear, which I suppose you can jab people with. If you're Poseidon or something. And then we have 14 down, stone in blast area shattered. That's a straightforward one. That's going to be alabaster. And then 16 down, green light in spare room. So if you get clearance to do something, you get the green light. And it's not spare room as in a house. It's clearance as in, you know, as can the bus get under the bridge? Has it got clearance? 17 down, over street in immaculate carriage. So over as in cricket is O, and then ST for streets. Going in immaculate is pure, gives us posture, carriage. Messian smashed in retribution. That's just an anagram of Messian. It's going to be nemesis. A royal flag from South African nation. Now this is going to be... yeah, it's going to be Eritrea because it's from the south. It's going in the other way. So it's A, royal is ER, Elizabeth Regina, and then you tire, and then it's going in the other direction, Eritrea. And then that gives us drop bombs without casing. That's just a double meaning. That's shelled. 23 down, not happy, you're sad. 1 male, going the other way, gives us a king, gives us Midas. And then the final one is going to be British in Australia, so Oz. And then a B for British going in. Finally denounces the E. Exploitation is abuse. So there we go. Another one done. Some nice clues there, some tricky ones as well. Hope you did well with it, and see you again soon.